Hello friends, in today's lesson I will teach you how to share file and folder to our users. So in the last session I already teach you how to we add role and service of the file resource manager in order to create file shares. So now today I'm going to teach you on how to we share our folders to our user. So first you go to like your server manager. Okay, let me try to open again. And then you go to find file and storage services. Okay, so here is what we got, what we are going to share our file. But first you need to create your share folders. So in like today I give you the example of we have the HR department, we have the public. Okay, we have the public, and we have finance department. So for all of these four folder we are going to share to our user. So HR department, it have like group payroll and also have group recruitment. So we are going to share the folder based on the permission of each user. Like here, I put the Whitley, so he have access to payroll, while Christine and Guinea.Siva cannot access to payroll, but he can access to recruitment. And for the public folder, I give the permission to all of the user under the domains. So in the last session, I also teach you how we create Active Directory and user. So if you cannot uh, access or know how to create user and group, you can go to see in my last session. So here I'm going to create department like HR department. Okay, in HR department we have payroll and recruitment. Okay, so I'm going to create another folder name recruitment and another name payroll. Okay, we also have another department like IT department. Okay, we also have finance department, and another is public folder. So this folder needs to share to all of our staff. Okay, so here's the folder that we are going to share. Okay, now I close it. So now you go to your server manager, and then you click on like, yeah, I go again in case you forget. So here our server manager. So you go to file and storage services, and then you go to share. Okay, so now you go to new share. Here you click on task new share. Okay, so here I teach you on the quick access to share, SMB share quick. Click next. Okay, so here you can also share all your drive to the user, but this is not recommend. We have to share the specific path I teach over here. So now I'm going to share the folder name HR department. Okay, I select next. Okay, here I can put a capital letter H. Okay, and or okay, I can share like this, and this one the name is here like HR department. Okay, I click next. Okay, here I enable access based on enumeration. So this one you can read its specific permission. If a user doesn't have read or equivalent permission folder, Windows hide the folder. So I click this one. Next. Okay, so here custom permission, and this one you need to disable inheritance. Okay, and then convert inheritance. Okay, so I remove all. It removes all. I put only the administrator and the system. Okay, and then you click add here, and then select principal. So here I'm going to give the permission recruitment. Like recently we share what folder HR department. Okay, now I close. Okay, I cancel first. I need to show you on Active Directory user and group first, everyone. So what are the user? If I don't go here, I can check here the permission here. So in user, I have David Lee. He can access payroll, and Christine and Kini Siva, he access recruitment. So I also have the group name key hero, and I already create a group name G recruitment. Okay, so that means all the staff that are in group recruitment you have to add in it. Okay, so this one I already create. So to verify, I can go and show you. Okay, here in the last session I already create this one. I have finance, HR, and IT. So this one you see in HR we have group payroll. So in group payroll we can see the member David Nee. Okay, and group recruitment member you can see Christine and Gini Siva. Okay, so this one I just share for you. Now I go again, new share. Yes, SMB, next, specific type. So here I'm going to share the HR department, group payroll. Okay. So I have to select the folder, specific file again. This one, HR, payroll, right? And then select folder. And then you click next. Okay, here I will change to capital so that everyone will be easy to see. Next. Yeah. Enable here. Next. Okay, I check the customize permission. So I disable inherit. I remove it. I put only two of this, administrator and system. Okay, and then I add. So here, the permission you can also add like David. Which one? He is in payroll. David Lee. Okay, you check name. So here you also can add group and also can add user. But in this session, I already add David to group, so I add only group. So that's why all the user in payroll will be applied to this permission. So I put the name G payroll. I've already created and check. Okay. Okay. So I ask him to modify and also retry this folder. Okay. Click on here. Okay. Apply. Okay. Next. Create. Okay. You see, SMB share set SMB permission complete. Close. So now we go to see together. Here is my user. I will log to the user, my domain user. So my user is David.lee. Okay, password. Okay, let's see if we have this permission or wrong. The username is incorrect. Okay, let me see. David. Okay. David.lee. Okay. Okay. Now I access the user named David. Let's see together if he have the permission to access the payroll. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, now I go to check here. Okay, you can see this PC. He doesn't have any drive. So to access the drive, you can Windows R. Okay, Windows R. And here is the name of our server, or you also can put the IP here. Okay. Okay, everyone, you see. So user David, he come with the payroll. You see. Okay. So I can map the drive for him, map drive, and then I put letter like letter W or H. Okay, H. Finish. Okay, I close. Now this one I already map drive for him. Let's see if have drive. Okay, see payroll. So in this payroll, he can create many like January payroll. Okay, he can create many folder here. Depend on him. Okay. Now next I'm going to share to another user. Recruitment. New share. Okay, SMB. I will do faster everyone because this one similar to the last one. Okay, I create and HR department, recruitment, select. Okay, next. Okay, I change the letter O. Okay, and then I enable next. Okay, customer permission. I remove disable first, disable inheritance, remove all, add, select. Yeah, this one you can add user and group. Okay, now I add group, recruitment, G, recruitment. Okay, add group is faster everyone. Modify. Okay, 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 next, create, create. Okay, now payroll has been created. Now we go to see together. Okay, so to apply this, the user required to log off. So I log off. I sign out. Okay, sign out David. Now I log to David again. If he have access to the payroll or the recruitment group or not. If he can access, the permission that is set is not correct. Because only here you already see only Christine and Guinea Siva can access the recruitment, while David can only access the payroll. Now I'm window R again. Window R. Okay, I could see. You see here also recruitment, but let's check. Okay, you see when I click, it cannot. You don't have permission to access this recruitment. So the permission that we set is correct. Okay. Now I will switch to another user. Okay, I will switch to Christine. Example, Christine. Okay, Chris dot tin and his password. Whether he can access the recruitment folder or not. So this one we can verify together. He can, in fact, he can access the recruitment folder, but he not allowed to use the payroll folder. This one in my last one, I disconnect it first. I disconnect this one first. Okay. Okay, see again. Okay, close. Okay, no any. So we go to window A and see payroll. Yeah, you see, he cannot access the payroll. How about recruitment? Yes, absolutely, he can access. So you can map drive. Finish. Okay, so all the user when he log on his account, he will come with his map drive recruitment. So while payroll, uh, he cannot access even those in HR department the same. So this permission is fine. But I have another folder to share, mean public. So all the people can access all the public, even those the David Lee, Christine, and Guinea Siva, he can access this folder. So we go to file share again, share, new task, new share, SMB, share specific path. Okay, go to folder, public, select, next. Okay, I change to capital P. Next. Oh, back. This one. Click here, enable, custom, disable. Okay. Okay, I remove. Okay. So here you can add all the user that under domain can access. Even those in IT department, finance department, they can access all. So this one I will add domain user. This one is the full A1. Domain user refer to the user that under domain. Okay. 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 So we can modify or retry. Okay, I give them permission. Or if you don't want to modify or edit something, you just untick here. Okay. Okay, I go them to modify. Okay, so the permission you can deep down, or in the next lesson I will more deep down more about the permission of each. Okay, okay, next, create. Okay, finish. Okay, now we go to see the user or the user. Okay, here you cannot see like or window or public is here. Okay, so I can map the public. Why? Okay, here you can see recruitment. So all the user they can access their department folder and public that is shared by the company. Okay, so we can create folder here. You see? Okay. Now this user, let me switch to another user, whether he can access to public folder or not. So I'm going to switch to the user. Check me. Guinea.siva. Okay. Guinea.siva. Okay. This one I haven't logged on, so I need to change the password. Oh, sorry. Enter. Okay. So here is the Guinea Siva is my first log on, so it is required me to change the password. So A1, let's see. So in here I will share. Okay, Guinea Siva in group recruitment, so he cannot access the group payroll, but Guinea Siva can access the public folder. Okay, like domain user. Mean the user, if your organization have 100 users or 200 users, they can access to the public folders. This one is the public. I think if we are in field of IT, we know. So this folder everyone can access. Now go window all. In fact, this one I also can access to my IP domain. Okay, I can access my domain controller. Okay, 110. Here you can also access the name or IP, no problem. Okay, so verify again. Guinea Siva is in group recruitment. Okay, recruitment can access. Okay, I map on drive for him. Okay, payroll cannot. Okay, public yes can. So I map public for him. Okay, so you see. So when all the user log on, he will come with the permission that we create. You see here, create. So can I create in public another folder? Okay, that's three. Can. You see? Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that everyone can find this lesson useful. Thank you to my channel and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.